tayo tapos na let's go na.
Ito, ano to, gift ko para sa inyo. Pero bago umpisan, iisa muna ako, dadampot muna ako ng isang isang lalaki sa babae. Dadampot na ako. Name mo?
Dimple.
Dimple. Hindi ko kilala to ha. Name mo? AD. Ha? AD po. AD. Dimple. Okay.
Okay, let's go.
Okay. Tatlo surprise ko sa inyo to, tsaka gift ko sa inyo. Anong ibig sabihin ng salitang baduy para sabihin mo sa akin na wag na uy? Define mo nga sa akin para malaman ang ibig mo sabihin sa paratang na yan. Baduy ba ibig sabihin na ikaw ay naggalit nang sabihin ko noon na humanap ka ng pangit? Hindi ba't ako'y inaalipusta? Pero minemorize mo ang aking Andrew Ford Medina. Di lang yan, eto pa. Nabwisit ka nang nalaman mo ang girlfriend mo'y nabaliw sa akin, diba? Sumisigaw, tumitili, hype na hype. Basa ang underwear every time I rock the mic. Use yourself, ako'y pakinggan. Saan ako, baduy ka rin, baduy ako saan. Kaya sa tuwing sasabihin nyo, baduy si pangit, naiinggit na lang pagkat sila'y inggit. Hold on. Now, nasan ako? Dati, Philippines, 2 days ago. Ngayon, nasa Morden ako. Nasa England ako. So I think kailangan mag-rap ako nang naiintindihan nyo. You see, the image I project is like a raging bull. But when I'm with Dimple, I play it cool. So and talk about it. I'm Andrew E. and I'm fresh. Yo, and I don't. No doubt about it. My name is Andrew E. and I'm on the go. But to top it up, girl, I'm still in the show. You're leaning on my shoulder when I write my rhymes. Making love and drinking beer at the same time. Get sharp like a blade. My pockets are pain. I get cooler and cooler because I drink Kool-Aid, not smiling or profiling. GQ and always lame. Girls unwind. Yo, you know what I'm saying? I'm not a nerd or a wimp, a phony pump or a dud. I drink cold 45 Coors, Millers, and Bud. I'm suave. I'm smooth. Very bold. Teen Magazine. I watch the centerfold. Step back, baby, drop. No need to drool. It's me, Ad, and Dimple just playing it cool. But now, wait, next week I'll be in Japan, so I'm gonna do this in Japanese. Haro, konnichiwa. Tokyo no machi. Doko doji chiga wakachimachi. Ichiketa haro warai barashi. Shinjuku kara Tokyo madai Tashimachi. Baka janai honto wa atama ii ne. Everybody listen up. Shimasen chotomate. So I want to ask all the people in the place to just clap your hands, everybody. Just clap your hands. And if you know who's number one, who's my name? Andrew E. My name? Andrew E. So I must tell you again and again and again. Now is good time, but tomorrow's gonna be fun and it's gonna be more.